How to add sub bullet points in Word. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can add sub bullet points in Word. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Word document where you want to add sub bullet points. So once you have opened it up, now head towards the word that you want to add the sub bullets to. So for that, first of all, select all of the word right here. Now head towards the home tab, and under there is an bullet option. Click on it. So once you have added bullet, in second step what you have to do is now you have to select those words that you want to add as sub bullets. So from here I just want to add last 3 words into the sub bullets. So once you have selected them, now again head towards the home tab, and there is an increase indent option. All you have to do is click on it, and there you go. Now the sub bullets point has been added. So this one is the bullet point, and right down is the sub bullet points. So in this way you can add sub bullets in Word. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.